Hey, folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Wednesday, March 1st, 2017. So the markets are having a monstrous rally. One stock that is not participating is Valeant Pharmaceuticals. It's a trader's favorite because it's been a volatile stock. So as a day trade, as a quick swing trade, it's been a very lucrative stock. If you've been a long-term shareholder, it has not been good at all. And again, you can't help but feel bad for Ackman, who's been holding this thing, I think, from an average price of like 95 bucks or something crazy like that. Bottom line is, it is falling for the second day in a row after announcing earnings yesterday morning. The stock is coming into a double bottom. This is going to be the big test, guys. And again, I'm not recommending buying it at this little pivot low because, honestly, I don't like the fact that it's getting hit at this hard on earnings and it's already back to the lows. So basically, look at this. See how you kind of went slowly higher for really 2 to 3 weeks, right? I mean, this is just a slow grind. It was a very nice move up. I mean, percentage-wise, it was great. But to see that wiped out in 2 consecutive down days is not a good sign. It really hurts the bullish case. It hurts the bullish investor mentality. And even though you do have some support at this kind of 1325 level, we'll call it 1325, I would be very cautious in terms of being an aggressive buyer there. All right, and now the question is, well, where do you buy? Honestly, I couldn't tell you. What I'll do as a pro trader is I'll be watching closely to see if this level holds. Now, if it holds and it's able to go up, well, then I might feel more confident about buying into it. But I don't want to be kind of the first in front of the firing squad. You guys get what I'm saying? Like, there's no reason to be a hero in this situation and be the first one to buy down here. Instead, let's watch it for a couple days, see how it acts along this level. Maybe it'll shoot right back up, in which case, if it defends this level, this will be a fantastic level. But if it doesn't defend it, which is what my concern is, you're actually going to head towards $10 per share. And that's not a good scenario, okay? So again, I just really want to give you guys a crisp analysis point, and that's what I think I'm doing here, being aware of what's going on with Valeant, and again, how to react, because a lot of, in all fairness, a lot of technical traders are going to see this double bottom, this triple bottom line right here that I just put in and say, oh, that's the buy level. I'm not so certain on that. I don't like, again, the price action in the last few days. It could flush right through it. Also, think about this. Markets are making new all-time highs today. The S&P is now up, I think, 15% since November. 15% in 4 months. At some point, now listen, it might not be for weeks or months, but at some point, the market is going to pull back. And if this stock is already at its 52-week lows, multi-year lows as a matter of fact, what do you think is going to happen? That would be my concern as well, and I would dare say it likely will go lower. So, again, be careful on Valeant Pharmaceuticals, folks. That's what I wanted to get across to you guys today. Instead, what I would be looking at, I'd be looking at bigger players that are more secure. For instance, Gilead. Gilead here, you can see it's well off. Oh, that's the GLD, excuse me. GILD is the symbol you want to look. It has bounced off the lows, as you can see, but it's still, if you zoom out, still very close to lows. This is a much more well-capitalized company. Doesn't have as much debt to earnings and cash ratio. So this is a much better scenario. What I would do on Gilead, GILD here, is look for the pullback. Look for it to retrace somewhere in this vicinity, maybe down to about the 67.5 level, and then I would be a buyer there. I'd be much more apt to be a buyer of a better quality play here like Gilead. Now, listen, you're not going to get the same, 100% upside ratio, but at the same time, you're not going to be taking risks of losing 30, 40, 50% of your money in a very short amount of time. I would say at these lows, Gilead's valuation is extremely attractive, extremely attractive. So bottom line is, come join us here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. You'll see exactly when I buy Gilead, what price I buy it at, the stop, the target, everything you will see. I will keep you guys fully alerted on every metric of everything I do as well. And again, come join the Research Center. Take the 7-day free trial. Take care.